Oh, now we are in the our Mary or Perpetual Help Parish, no? Our Mary of Perpetual Help Parish. Nandito tayo sa church premises, no? Besides sa church talaga.
Hello guys,
Sige.
I've been not seen a crab, but now here it is, the biggest crab in the world, hiding with the trash. There it is, the tiny little baby.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're scared about their eyes pinnacles. Look, do you see that, guys? In there, that's staring at mommy. Then there's a lot of babies in there.
Okay.
That's the crab.
Wow.
Then there's one hiding there. I see tentacles.
Oh. Okay.
There's one hiding.
How about there? There are so many fish there. Huh? So many fish. Okay.
There is the most.
Wow, the biggest fish. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay, let's go.
We're going to the other side, guys. So let's see if we see an eel.
Okay. See if we can find the eel. Okay, there. There you go there. Okay.
Let's try here.
Oh, so many.
It's the most many of here, but
Ooh.
I didn't see any crabs.
No crabs, but there are lots of blackfish.
Yeah, really, no eels.
Blackfish, but
That
there's
I was still a baby, there's a lot of shells on there.
oh shells.
Yeah. She's going to bit everyone in. What? Help me.
Okay. Those are the big ants, Nica.
Help me. Oh! Gotta get out. Get out. I don't want to go in there. Let's go to the other side. That house that do not have insects, but this is super duper weird.
Saan? So,
No, not in there. There's still insects.
we will see the insects, okay?
No.
Okay, this is where Nica is afraid, no? The ants, okay, these are big ants, but actually they are not so harmful. So this is the founder of the Missionary of the Sacred Heart of Jesus congregation, huh? Okay, ito yung santos na naka-found sa MEC congregation. Okay, blessed ang pare nito talaga. Okay, so I'm happy na nakaselebrate ako sa birthday. Nakaselebrate ako sa birthday sa apo ko while nandito sa Pilipinas. It's a very rare opportunity, no? Okay. Okay. Go there. You talk. Okay. Talk, sige.
Guys, be quiet.
Because we are in the church.
There's babies.
Wow, blackfish.
There's the most big one sleeping in there.
Yeah.
That looks like a rock.
I see it. I see them. Okay. Too many fishes.
Looks like an alligator in there inside.
There's no alligator, only fish. Okay.
Fish is so cute. What about we just go home and get a pet?
Okay.
But if I go bigger and bigger, I'll get a pet.
Okay. Approve. Okay.
Approve, my little baby brothers.
Okay. And thank you, Mother Mary. Ana. Thank you.
For the subscribers of all
Okay, so before we end this vlog, I am taking
I
videos.
just see a frog. There it is, a frog. Frog. We see a creature named frog.
Frog. Okay. So wow.
There's the most biggest in there. See? That looks like
Yeah.
a
Wow.
See?
Oh, black. They're so black. Wow, daghan ng itom isda day. Dagko ra ba kayo no? Malaking isda. Okay, okay, okay.
A big shell.
Big shell.
A big shell.
Oh yeah, yeah. I see it. I see it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
That was so dangerous.
Okay, okay. Ina. Say thank you guys.
Thank you for watching, but do not wake up the Marys. They're asleep.
Okay, okay.
But their babies are kind of asleep. Their babies. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoy, but we love that because the snakes will catch us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right?
Okay. And then thank you for watching Nica's
Thank you
vlog.
for watching, guys. Do not comment below. Is there?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Subscribe. It what's in there. Let's find out.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.